Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. I'm Daisy. This is our structured beginner Mandarin Chinese class, lesson 5. This lesson we will talk about all the personal pronouns in Mandarin Chinese, and also I will teach you some adjectives to describe person. So now let's start. As you can see, there are all the personal pronouns in our language. I divided in 3 different groups. The first group, we already learned it. So, first one is 我, means I or me. Second one is 你, means you. The second group, you will realize those 3, they share the exactly same pronunciation, which is 他. But they have the different characters. So, different characters can have the different meaning. That's the reason why learning characters is really important when you're learning Chinese. So the first one, 她 means she or her. You can see the left component of this character is woman component, right? So this one is she. If you have no idea for the character structures, you can go for the link on the top. This video will tell you how could we start learning characters. Second one, this 她 is the human radical. So this one means he or him. The last one simply means it. But those 3, we all call it 她. Also, you do not need to confuse. Okay, if you guys sound same, how could I know you're talking about he or she? Remember that in the real life, you wouldn't only say one character. You will speak the full sentence. In that case, that is always makes sense for the context. We will know which gender are you talking about. Next group is the plural. You guys, or you all. English do not have the specific translation for the plural of you. So here we say it, you all. And the next one is 我们 means we. 我们 means we. The last one, 他们 means they or them. And also here, guys, did you realize second character of those 3 words are exactly same? This one is 们. You use a personal pronoun plus 们, that will be the plural. So now follow me to read all of those personal pronouns together. 我 你 他 你们 我们 他们 Now I will give you 3 common adjectives to describe a person. First one is 漂亮 pretty 漂亮 So if you want to say you are pretty, you can say 你很漂亮 Remember here is not 你是漂亮 Did you remember in the lesson 3, I believe, we learned the sentence structure, subject plus 很 plus adjective. So here will be 你很漂亮 It's not 你是漂亮 Okay, we will say 你很漂亮 or 她很漂亮 Also you can say 我很漂亮 Second one is 帅 means handsome. So we can say 他很帅 He is very handsome. The last one is 聪明 Follow me read it. This one a little bit hard to pronounce. 聪明 means smart. So here I can say she is really pretty, also smart. So we can say 她很漂亮也很聪明 Did you remember this 也 means also, right? 她很漂亮 She is very pretty 也很聪明 Also very smart. Now, let's pretend you will introduce me to your friends. So you can say, oh, she's Daisy. She's 30 years old. She's Chinese and she's pretty and smart. I hope you think in this way. So now we will get those sentences all in Chinese. Okay, we can say 她是 Daisy. 她是30岁. 她是中国人. 她很漂亮，也很聪明。Now is a homework for you guys. If you do follow my video to learn Mandarin Chinese, I hope you can leave a comment to introduce yourself. You can use the pattern of our last practice: name, age, nationality, and handsome or pretty, and also smart. So you can type in those words in Mandarin Chinese or just type in the pinyin in the comment area. We are looking forward to see it. If you have any mistakes, we will help you to correct it. And also, by the way, if you want to book a free trial lesson with me, you can go for the first line of the description part of this video. You can ask me any questions that you have. Okay, alright guys, today's lesson is here. This lesson we haven't learned that much new things, but that is really useful and basic for the daily life. If you really like my video, please give me a like or subscribe to my channel. I'm Daisy. I'm here to help you learning Chinese. Bye bye!